Experiencing frequent Optus internet dropouts? You're not alone. Many users face this issue due to Wi-Fi interference, faulty cables, or electromagnetic noise. Let's tackle each problem area. For Wi-Fi, use a Wi-Fi Analyzer app to identify the least congested channel on both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. Aim for channels 6 or 11 on 2.4 GHz. Interference should ideally be below -60 dBm. Ensure your Optus modem firmware is up to date. Regarding cables, inspect Ethernet and coaxial connections for damage. Replace any faulty cables with Cat6 or higher for Ethernet. Finally, address noise sources by moving your router away from appliances, power lines, and fluorescent lights. Consider using ferrite cores on cables to reduce EMI. By systematically addressing these issues, you can significantly reduce Optus internet dropouts.